We discussed issues of security in the sub-region, including what is happening in the Sahel and how we can work as a sub-region to make sure West Africa is a safer place for all our citizens.
In another bold step towards fostering African unity and addressing the pressing challenges facing the Sahel region, President John Dramani Mahama of Ghana has taken it upon himself to be an advocate for peace in the Sahel region as he embarked on a historic state visit to the Gambia and Senegal. This journey, which commenced on Friday, January 17th, 2025, underscores President Mahama's vision of a united and self-reliant Africa. The visit not only aimed to solidify bilateral ties, but also served as a platform to advocate for peace, stability, and regional cooperation in West Africa and beyond. The visit comes at a critical time when the African continent faces a myriad of challenges, from security threats in the Sahel to the need for greater economic integration. Let's dive into the details of his briefing in the Gambia for aid in the Sahel and its implications for Africa's future. Kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more insights on African integration. Let's get right into it. President Mahama's first stop was the Gambia, where he was warmly welcomed at the Banjul International Airport by Gambian President Adama Barrow and a host of government officials. The scene was one of joy and camaraderie, with traditional Gambian drummers and dancers adding a festive touch to the occasion. The two leaders proceeded to a state luncheon at the presidential palace, where they engaged in meaningful dialogue about the long-standing friendship between Ghana and the Gambia. Afterwards, President Mahama used the opportunity to express his gratitude for President Barrow's attendance at his inauguration on January 7th, 2025. One of the key themes of President Mahama's visit was the urgent need to address security challenges in the Sahel region. The area, which stretches across West and Central Africa, has been plagued by insurgencies, terrorism, and political instability. These issues not only threaten the lives and livelihoods of millions, but also will hinder the region's economic development and integration efforts. During his discussions with President Barrow of the Gambia and President Faye of Senegal, President Mahama emphasized the importance of a collective approach to tackling these issues. He called for greater collaboration amongst African nations, as well as the need to strengthen regional bodies such as the African Union. "We cannot afford to address the challenges of the Sahel in isolation," President Mahama stated. "It is only through unity and cooperation that we can overcome the forces that seek to destabilize our continent." President Mahama also proposed the establishment of a joint task force comprising military, intelligence, and development experts from across Africa. This task force, he urged, would not only combat insurgent groups, but also address the root causes of insecurity such as poverty, unemployment, and lack of education. In addition to security, President Mahama's visit also focused on economic development and the need for greater regional trade. He highlighted the potential of the African Continental Free Trade Area to transform the continent's economy and create opportunities for millions of Africans. During his meetings with President Barrow and Faye, President Mahama stressed the importance of investing in infrastructure such as roads, railway, and ports to facilitate trade and connectivity amongst African nations. He also called for policies that promote entrepreneurship and innovation, particularly amongst African youths. "Trade is the lifeblood of our economies," President Mahama remarked. "By removing barriers and creating opportunities for our people, we can unlock the immense potential of our continent and ensure a brighter future for all." During their private meeting, the two leaders discussed strategies to strengthen bilateral ties, particularly in trade, security, and cultural exchange. President Mahama emphasized the importance of fostering partnerships amongst African nations to address common challenges and seize shared opportunities. "Ghana and the Gambia have always shared a bond of friendship and mutual respect," President Mahama stated. "As we face the future together, it is imperative that we work hand in hand to promote peace, stability, and prosperity for our people." Once at the Gambia, President Barrow echoed these sentiments, highlighting the need for African nations to unite in the face of external pressure. He praised President Mahama's commitment to regional integration and expressed his willingness to collaborate on initiatives that would benefit the Sahel region and West Africa as a whole. After concluding his engagement in the Gambia was when President Mahama traveled to Senegal, where he was welcomed by Senegalese President Bassirou Diomaye Diakhar Faye. The two leaders met at the presidential palace in Dakar, where they discussed a wide range of issues in isolation, including security in the Sahel, economic development, and the role of African unity in addressing these challenges. President Mahama praised Senegal for its leadership in promoting stability and democracy in the region. He commended President Faye for his efforts in fostering economic growth and inclusive governance in Senegal, which he described as a model for other African nations. We cannot underestimate the importance of Senegal's contributions to the peace and stability of our region, President Mahama noted during a joint press conference at Senegal. As leaders, it is our responsibility to ensure that our nations work together to build a stronger, more united Africa. President Faye, in turn, lauded President Mahama for his visionary leadership and his dedication to the cause of African unity. He expressed his commitment to working closely with Ghana to address regional challenges, particularly the security threats posed by insurgent groups in the Sahel. Beyond the political and economic discussions, President Mahama's visit carried a powerful symbolic message: the importance of unity and brotherhood amongst African nations. His meeting with President Barrow and Faye were a testament to the shared history, culture, and aspiration that binds African nations together. President Mahama's emphasis on African solutions for Africa's problems resonated deeply with the leaders and the citizens of the Gambia and Senegal. His visit served as a reminder that Africa's strength lies in the ability to stand together and chart its own course, free from external interference. The visit has widely been praised across the region, with many viewing it as a significant step towards fostering African unity. Social media platforms were abuzz with messages of support for President Mahama's vision, with hashtags like African Unity and Sahel Security. I am inspired by President Mahama's leadership and his commitment to a united Africa, tweeted one user from Dakar. This is the kind of leadership we need to address our challenges and create opportunities for our people. President John Dramani Mahama's visit to the Gambia and Senegal is more than just a diplomatic mission. It is a revolutionary step towards building a stronger, more united Africa. By advocating for peace, security, and economic development, President Mahama has reaffirmed his commitment to the vision of an Africa that is self-reliant, prosperous, and at peace with itself. As the continent continues to face challenges and insurgencies in the Sahel to economic inequalities, leaders like President Mahama offer a beacon of hope. His visit serves as a reminder that Africa's future lies in the ability to come together, harness its resources, and empower its people. This is not just a win for Ghana, the Gambia, or Senegal. It's a win for Africa. It's a call for action for all Africans to rise above divisions, embrace unity, and work towards the common goal of a thriving, peaceful continent. What are your thoughts on President Mahama's vision for Africa's unity? Share your views and join the conversation as we continue to celebrate Africa's progress and potential. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this detailed video, be sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel as we keep you informed every step of the way. Check out this next video on other amazing progress happening right here in Africa. Thank you, and on to the next video. Be sure to check this next video out.